any Africans in the building right now? Do we have any Africans in the building right now? I need to know where you're from one time. Where you from? East Africa one time. West Africa's in the building one time. Hey, listen, man. I'm about to introduce one of the biggest acts one time in Africa. Actually, the biggest act in Africa right now. Are you ready? All right, listen. All the way from Lagos, Nigeria. All the way from Lagos, Nigeria. Some people know him as OBO. Some people know him as what? Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready for Davido, say hell yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, if you're ready for OBO, say choo. Everybody put your hands in the air one time. Say that, bring it down. Say, tell me to wanna go home. Say, yeah, say, she say, say, you may not be that local. Say, I'm falling in love. Yeah, you forget. Say what? What you say if you don't get money? Yeah. Everybody has let's get it.
We're gonna turn up for us today.